Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside Settings because that's where Windows shows indexing mode and what's indexed. Open Settings, go to Privacy and Security, then Searching Windows. Once there, look at the indexing status and which locations are included so you know what will stop being indexed. Make sure you're on an account with admin rights, otherwise you can't change the service. Once done, decide whether to only remove locations or to fully disable the Windows search service in the next steps. Now you'll stop the service itself to turn off indexing system-wide. Press Windows plus R, type Services, MSC, and press Enter. In Services, find Windows Search, right-click, choose Stop, then double-click and set Startup Type to Disabled to prevent it from restarting. Before stopping it, you may optionally open indexing options from Control Panel and remove folders you don't want indexed. This preserves the service, but reduces index scope. Make sure to apply changes and close the consoles when you're finished so settings save. Finish by rebooting to ensure the disabled service stays stopped and test search from Start and File Explorer. You should notice search results change, less immediate but reduced indexing load. If you need search restored, run Services. MSC again, set Windows Search to automatic or manual, start it, then open indexing options and click Advanced right arrow rebuild to recreate the index. If anything goes wrong, run the search and indexing troubleshooter from Settings to Diagnose. It often resets permissions and fixes common issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.